We're back at HeavyHaul HQ. Today we're doing one of the Kalyn Siebert Traveling Axles 3-axle trailer. And also, why has this guy not picked this trailer up yet? It's a really beautiful one. And then lastly, if you ever go to borrow money, borrow it from a pessimist because he won't expect it back. Free money advice. Follow for more free money advice. So today, Johnson's Paving. Really cool customer out of Blue Ridge, Georgia. Awesome Freightliner truck. And this beauty is the Kalyn Siebert 3A55T. As you can see, it has 3 axles. It's rated for 55 tons. They have tire inflation system by Meritor and aluminum rims. It's a little dirty because it's been raining out here, but wanted to show you all this really cool trailer. On the side rail, it has keyhole slots for chain downs and center keyhole tie downs. It has a high visibility, high intensity LED work light that produces a ton of light for your deck of your trailer. And then a Ramsey 20K winch, which is a really heavy duty winch by a really reliable manufacturer. The hydraulic controls, which slide the axles forward, are all operated on remote control. And then check out right here. It has the world famous airway scales on the unit. Winch free spool, work lights, etc., etc. So today here, we're back from the show. You know, we was at the Tennessee Tow Show last weekend. We're changing out the hydraulic adapters so that way they'll match the truck hydraulic adapters. This is kind of part and parcel for what we do here all the time. Every time a new trailer goes out, we like to match the trailer up with the truck. That way the rest of the fleet that's going to be operating this trailer will have the proper hydraulic adapters. Also, we do a lot of these floors for gooseneck trailers. It's Apatong lumber. This is 1.5 by 8. It is a rough sawn. This one had pressure treated lumber on it, so like a pine. And we took all that off, took the end caps off so that it would fit back under. Then we'll put the end caps back on and it'll have a brand new Apatong flooring. We're just wrapping up this huge project where we had to do all the outside box beams. So all these like to grab water the way they were built back when they were building these trailers, like to hold water inside of these box beams because what this is basically is square tubing. And so we took all the outside ones out and re-welded all that stuff in there. It was a tremendous amount of work, and we're just wrapping it up to a close. We also had to plate a large amount of plate down some of the side rail. The funnest projects ever is these Hendrickson suspensions. A lot of times I have 2 or a couple of them here. We have to put new bushings right in here. And let me see if I can find a picture of the old Y-beams. So on these old Y-beams, see they start cracking there, and here you can see where it's actually gotten down into the webbing. I don't know if it's coming out on camera real well, but the next thing that'll do is crack all the way down the side. So we do a fair amount of these Y-beams. This one actually needed brakes and a bunch of other stuff too, so we're getting all that taken care of. So now let's go back and see if we can get them to operate that traveling axle 55-ton Kalyn Siebert for us. That's Tim Moore right there, and Jasmine. All right, so the drivers just got the trailer hooked up. Now let's see if we can get a demo. You always got to safely get your landing gear up. This guy's a real professional. He's been driving for a long time. Really nice guy. So huge shout out to Kalyn Siebert. Huge shout out to TM Trailer Sales. If you ever need a trailer like this, or if you need a Landau or a Fontaine or a Trail King, any of the trailers that we know and trust, you can always give me a call. 888-LOWBOY1, or click the link in my bio. There's a contact page on there, and I'll show you all around too. After we demo this one, all the rest of the trailers here today. This is a foundry hook. We're gonna add a foundry hook onto the end of his winch cable. It came kind of butt naked, but we have a little piece of aluminum block and a foundry hook that we are going to add on there for him. Oh yeah, that's right, we found some. Yay, we found coupling links. And boom, we found all the right stuff we needed. So we got a grade 100 coupling link, a section of chain, 1/2-inch chain. These are by BA Products, which we are a BA distributor. Also, I have an affiliate link for Mighty. They have great pricing. And if you use the affiliate link, we get a little, I think 5%, but you have to follow the affiliate link. But either way, it's good for y'all to see because they have tremendous pricing. It's hard for me to even compete with. All right, so 1/2-inch coupling link, and now to a 1/2-inch foundry hook. All right, so huge shout out to Johnson's Paving. You can see the shirt here and you saw it. You want to do it with the remote control too? So he's going to operate the axles, and you can see live real time how quick those axles are running. All right, so now he's feathering the bed up as he's pulling the axles forward, and that way it doesn't lift up on the truck. This is an awesome piece of machinery. It's got, again, 55-ton rated frame, Meritor tire inflation. It's got strobe lights and 20K Ramsey winch. Pretty nice cush suspension. And so now you can see how the whole deck of the trailer will allow you to access the upper deck of the trailer, the whole lower deck, drag, pull, or drive any kind of piece of equipment. All right, and so now he's got the remote control. So now imagine he's in there in a piece of equipment that he can't get to pull up, so he can operate the winch, the axles, and the tilt, all with the remote control. And then all that again from remote control. So you could be in a piece of equipment and you could be driving the equipment up or pulling the equipment up with the winch while you're moving the axles back and forward. While Curtis finishes up the rigging equipment for the winch, I'll show you around a few other really cool trailers that are available now and stuff to keep on your wish list for Christmas. We showed you last week or the week before, I can't remember, the Fontaine Renegade N12. That means it has a 12-inch loaded deck height, only a 30-ton capacity, but this is the trailer that is called a mini deck. So it's 30-ton capacity, tandem axle bogie, fixed deck, mini deck, 12 inches off the ground with 6 inches of ground clearance. Next on the wish list for Christmas is the Fontaine Magnitude 55H. So this is the heavy-duty Fontaine Magnitude. It's a 55-ton rated trailer, 3 axles. We can get it all kinds of options. It comes standard with the 2 ride height setting, or the 2 cam pawls. They call it a dual cam pawl, and it gives you 7 adjustable ride height settings on the front of the neck, 2 lockable toolboxes, 3 axles with aluminum rims. We can put hammer plates, we can put more D-rings, whatever you're needing. Next on the wish list, and probably the last one we'll do for today, probably the most important one because you have to order these. I actually may have some of these in January coming, which is by a little bit of luck. And so if you're wanting a Landau 930E, I think I have some coming in January, and they're hard to get because they're usually about a year out. You'll have to let me know. But it's a Landau 930E. It's a 35-ton capacity tandem axle, what they call a traveling tail trailer. So the axles slide forward just a bit and the tail drops down. The ramp right here pops up. It has a 20K winch on it, but they can have all type of options. You can see one of the options they have right here is a fold-out strobe light. It also has the keyhole slots down the side and keyhole chain downs. It has a slide-out step on it, which is a really cool option. This whole ramp pops up to get you to the upper deck. Keyhole tie-downs down the center, and then this whole tail drops down to kind of do something similar like the Kalin does. This is a really cool trailer, and we have some more of these coming in Fontaine and Trail King brand. And this is a super stretch right here. So it's 34 to 60 in the well, meaning 34 as it sits. And then when it stretches open, it'll go all the way to 60 foot in the well. We're going to close out with that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all y'all. And thank you for helping me build a community on HeavyHaul HQ.
Yo, it's HeavyHaul HQ. Rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs. The power of the mic, from dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing.